Hey guys, how's it going? We are back at Finicky Automotive Restorations and I'm here to check out my car again. This is going to be our last visit until the car is completely finished. Super excited. The wheels have now been fitted. All the fenders and quarter panels have been rolled and pulled and refabricated. They look amazing. I'm going to show you soon. Yeah, just really stoked. The car is almost done and it's looking fantastic. So yeah, let's come check out what's been done on the car and let's have a quick chat to Sylvain. I'm also here with Devin. You probably remember him from a previous vlog. Say hi, Dev. Hello. He's here to help me lower the car as well because we're going to drop it about an inch just to see how things look. So yeah. Anyway, come say hi to Sylvain again.
Hey Dane.
Hey, how's it going?
So I've been spending the week making sure that our oversized wheels, is that right? So that they can fit under the fenders and they don't stick out. So using this machine here, you roll the fender so you like actually bend the lip all the way against the fender so it's like a really narrow, really thin. And then you apply more and more pressure and you start flaring them out. So the front fenders were fairly easy because you know it's pretty thin metal. What was more work were the quarter panels. A little bit of pulling that had to happen to bring back the quarter panels at their original position.
There was definitely a little bit of crash damage on this. I don't know if it was from one crash or from multiple crashes.
It was a little bit of a surprise because there was no signs really telling us beforehand that there was something happened. But as I was starting to pull the fender, the Bondo cracked off, and well,
oh, you gotta see
there. You can see some of the Bondo that cracked off as I was pulling the fender. So,
oh man,
the quarter panel was pushed in quite a bit, so I had to pull it out quite a bit to bring it back to its original position. So as you can see, I think it looks pretty good. Still a few details that I need to polish out, but I think we're pretty close to having a complete fixed car. And so actually the next step after this is just sanding down everything, and we're going to be ready for a paint sometime this week.
You know what we're going to do now is just kind of check out the rest of the car. I kind of want to show you some of the details that's gone into this because he's extremely detail oriented. Again, this is still a work in progress. We're not quite done, but check these things out.
These are your body kit parts. So what I'm doing right now, I'm blocking them down. One thing about body kits, you can't make them like perfectly straight, eh? But you try to make them as straight as possible, so you don't want like ripples in it or any waviness. So just a small straight block is good enough. So you just spray some guide coat on it, and then you use your block. So as you can see, it reveals immediately high spots and low spots. So it tells you how much you need to sand to make it nice and even and take out like that ripple effect, eh? So that's the idea of blocking it.
Nice. A crucial step that might be forgotten half the time. Did that just budge? It did move a little bit, yeah.
It did?
I feel like it did, but
I really hope it did.
what
When you buy new coils, okay, I'm gonna give everyone a little instruction here. When you buy new coils, not like these, what you want to do is pick up some of this. That didn't focus.
That's good. That's perfect.
Pick up some of this. It's expensive, but it is worth it. And then you're gonna want to like spread everything out, gob a bunch of this shit on, spread it out so it looks like so. You can tell it's in there, and your coil will never seize.
Good to know.
Good to know.
Whilst you're at it, how do we adjust our coilovers? How do you lower your car?
First, you gotta take this.
That bad boy
This
off.
is like the walking collar to your height adjustment. This don't touch. Once this collar is broken, if it's not seized, you twist it just with your hand, and it goes up or down. Very common for this to seize.
Okay, cool. Thanks, man. Hey guys, all right, so we're gonna call it quits. We've been here for a few hours now. We've lowered the car at the front, not at the rear. We didn't get a chance to because the coilovers were so shitty. We've cleaned the headlights up massively, so that's awesome. Hopefully next week or the weekend after, the car's gonna be done. Cannot wait. Thank you, Sylvain.
You're welcome.
Thank you. I'm really looking forward to this. I'm so stoked. You've done such an awesome job in it. So, peace out, guys. Oh, wait.
Adios.
Peace. Yeah, definitely.